Hi investors, Manish here from jagoinvestor.com. So which category of investor are you? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to broadly categorize investors into three categories, and I'm going to speak from my years of experience. Our team also talks with so many people. We have thousands of clients spread across India, outside India, and we work with them day in and day out. We help them create wealth, we help them in investments. So when I see all these investors, I can see that all of them can be categorized broadly into three different kind of investors. So let us talk about the three categories. The first category is those people who don't need external help. Okay, so who are these people? These are smart people, very smart, very intelligent, analytical. They know about all the concepts, they know how market works, they know what risk means, what return means, what is the relationship between them, what is the right asset allocation, when to do portfolio rebalancing, how to optimize tax. If they don't know about something, they will read up, they will find out the solution, and they are really good at it. I mean, they are really extremely high quality mature investors. They know about what to do in their financial life. Basically, any good advisor, whatever they do with their clients, I think they can do all of it themselves. They don't need external help. So this is broadly the first category. They don't have any kind of apprehensions. They don't have any doubt, you can say. If they are doubtful, they will figure out the solution. Okay, and these are the people who earn well, they do well, they invest well, they regularly increase their investments. They don't get tempted by some bad offer which comes into the market, which will just fill you with a lot of greed and all. So they're just above all this. So these are high quality investors, the first category. And there are not too many of them, truly speaking, because in the population of 140 crores, while on YouTube and different channels you see they're full of these kind of investors. They come on different social media channels, podcasts. Some of them are financially free, some people are doing high amount of SIP, and some are already having so many income stream. You must be seeing all these people, right? But if you count them, they are like how many? Not too many of them, truly speaking. Okay, we just feel that there are many people like that, but truly speaking, India is not full of those kind of investors. There are many people, but not too many. Now, coming to the second category. The second category of investors are the people who need help, who need an external help. Now, who are these people? Now, these are the people who are all busy professionals. They are doctors, they are IT engineers, they are smart people, they know how to earn well. But when it comes to managing money, when it comes to taking investment decisions, they're not that great in it. I'm not saying they're bad in it. The only thing is they are so busy in their life, they are so consumed by so many other things in their life. There's career, there is family, there are some personal issues, there may be health issues. So these people are not able to take the action, and they don't have a structured way of doing something. They are not very disciplined, and these people really need help. So these people, they need some kind of financial advisor. It can be some wealth manager, any person who can add value and bring them in that mode of disciplined investing. They need to basically get into a structure where they're accountable to someone. Things are happening on their own, and they don't have to depend too much on themselves. If that happens in their life, I think they will be very disciplined. They will get into a structure, and they will be able to perform. And we see this in and out. I think most of our clients are also this, and these are the best people who can work with an advisor, because there is always a strong partnership between two people, where one person is guiding them. They are taking them from one position to other position. They get them started, they guide them, they do the number crunching, they help them, show them the future, and pave they ultimately pave a path for them on which they can walk. So I think if you can identify with this, then you need to get hold of a financial advisor, anyone who can, be a mentor to you in the area of wealth, and just start. And I think it will do wonders. There are many investors we have dealt with where after 2 years and 3 years they have come back to us and said that, oh my god, my first 25 lakhs is crossed and my first 50 lakhs is crossed, and how it happened, I don't know. And all they did is get into a structured, get into a disciplined way of investing. All they did is get in, they took that first move, and after that things are on track. Yes, you will be paying the professional will be earning out of you, but it's much better than, not doing anything. I think it is a good association. Now, coming to the third category, which is the investors who can't be helped. Okay, these people are a type of people who are really tough to work on. They work at the extreme end. Their psychology, their way of thinking, their way of looking at things, uh, it's very tough. It's very, very tough, and we have seen these kind of people also. So these people, they start their investments and we help them understand how the market works and what is the relationship between risk and return. And we tell them that, if you want very high returns, you have to take some risk. Okay, otherwise you can't take it. We tell them that if you have to create wealth, it will happen only in 8-10 years minimum. If you want to be in the markets, you have to give that much time. So they will be like, yeah, I understood, and yeah, good, good, good. And then after 13, 14, 15 days, suddenly they will be like, oh, my portfolio is down by 5%, my portfolio is down by 2%. This doesn't happen in FD. And we are like, but we told you everything, right? We had a talk on this. And then they will give some reason, and they will, some weird thing they will say, and some logic. And then we will be like, where did we go wrong? And then we will try to pacify them, and we will again tell them, and they'll be like, okay, now I understood. And then we'll be like, oh, no, okay, fine, now you got it right. Okay, we are all good, and we are all good. Yeah. And then after 1 month, again the same question. And then after a year, again the same question. And they have some weird ideas. They are working at the extreme level. I don't know why it happens. I really can't pinpoint that, but I think their money experience, the way they have seen money, what something happened in their family, I don't know what, but they have very extreme views. If they are doing gold, they will just invest in gold. If they are into crypto, they'll just crypto. If they are into equities, then I got 80% return, but next year only 25% return. Oh, it will go down also. And then we are like, man, it's very tough to work with you. And then, we part ways, and before we part ways, they only say that, yeah, no, I don't think I can work with you. You guys are not doing the right thing. And we say, okay, fine, you do it on your own way. So then we find out that, there are some category of investors who I think are better left and let them do what they want, and someday maybe they will realize. And what will work for them is, I think, a very foundational level understanding of things. They need to know the basics of money, wealth, all the wealth concepts, how things work. And from there they have to start. This is like, a 8th or 10th class person who doesn't know how to read and write. He doesn't know the basic ABCD, doesn't know what is a noun, what is an adjective, and all those things. So something like that. So now what I want you to do is identify where you stand. Out of these 3 categories, which category of investor are you? If you are in the first one, great. I think best of luck, you will do well. If you are the second category, talk to some advisors, find 2-3 people whom you trust, talk to them, evaluate them, and once you form the trust, just go with them. And the third person, I don't know, I think you learn the basics of money, see a lot of videos are there on YouTube, you watch all of them, and maybe it will help you. And there is a financial health checkup link given downstairs in the description. Just go there and you can take a very quick 5-minute financial health checkup, and I'm sure that you will be able to evaluate, what is happening in your life, what kind of investors you are. So I hope that was helpful, and that is all. Please subscribe, and there is a WhatsApp community which we have. It's called as Wealth Circle. If you want to stay updated on that, please subscribe to that, and you'll be part of the community. So that is all. I think, yeah, that's all. Thank you a lot. Bye.